Hi, I'm Nicole Canham doing a brief video of the brain anatomy. Our brain is full of grooves and ridges called sulci and gyri. A close-up here shows the convoluted piece, which just means it's folded and it's like that to maximize space. Here we have the gyrus, which is the ridge, and the sulcus, which is the groove. So here's our brain. We have a left and a right cerebral hemisphere, and it is separated by a longitudinal fissure, which is a deep sulci, and it separates the two cerebral hemispheres from each other. And looking at the lateral view of the brain, we have the frontal lobe, which is responsible for motor functions. Then we have the parietal lobe, which does sensory processing. Down here, we have the temporal lobe, which controls auditory perception. And back here, we have the occipital lobe, which processes visual information and visual perception. The frontal lobe and parietal lobe are separated by the central sulcus. The parietal lobe and the temporal lobe is separated by the lateral sulcus. If we split open the brain, this part right here on the brain is called our corpus callosum, which is a huge fiber bundle that joins the cerebral hemispheres, that they talk to each other from left to right. And under that, you can see we have our brain stem. And on the top of it is our midbrain, which is the top. Here is our pons, which contains the nuclei for signaling between the forebrain and the cerebellum. And then underneath that, here, we have our medulla oblongata, which is an autonomic control center and connection from the brain to the brain stem. Then on the back, this part is our cerebellum, which maintains our body balance and our equilibrium. That's it for our brief brain video. Thank you.